Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing a product assembly of our CASA-SLIDECAB. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing one part H, one part L, and 4 parts number 9. The product does come with an Allen key. You can use a power tool if you have access. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 8 parts number 34 and 8 parts number 46, as well as our board B. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing our previous assembly H and L, as well as 2 parts number 46, our bolt, and board B from earlier. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing board F and 2 parts number 46, as well as our previous assembly. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing one part E, one part D, 4 parts number 1, our wooden dowel, and 4 parts 46 again. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing board C, 2 parts M, and 4 parts number 5, our screw. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing our 2 previous assemblies, as well as 6 parts number 1 and 6 parts number 3. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts K and 4 parts 12 and 4 parts number 3. Let's assemble. Number 3 will go at the topmost side. The bottom will be our number 12. For our next step, we'll be needing board A and 4 parts number 8 our bolt. Let's assemble. This will be our backboard, so away from the front opening. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts 29 our feet. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing our backboard J and 18 parts number 7 our screw. Let's assemble now. Just ensure your backboard lines up to all the mounting places before screwing. For our next step, we'll be needing 8 parts number 13, our standoff, and 2 boards G. Let's assemble. You'll notice inside here there are 3 different piloted holes for different elevated levels. You can choose to adjust the height of your shelf. We're going to put them in the center. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part I, 2 parts number 37, 4 parts number 38, our washer, and 4 parts number 46, our bolt. Let's assemble. Next, we can insert it onto our railing, starting with the bottom first and hooking the top. Thank you so much for watching the product assembly of our CASA-SLIDECAB. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.